Hello, my rover friends. Welcome back to Project Wraith. Today we are going to totally transform the front of this Defender, making it look way more aggressive. And I've got a special feature to show you. Our new LED grille is in. It is customizable. You can change colors and do all kinds of things. So stick around to the end. We're going to walk through that. All right, cue the intro. We'll take a look at our goods and then we'll get them on the car. First up, we are going to put the LED grille in. It goes right here. You guys have seen our original version. There's tons of copycats out there with them. Everybody loves the startup sequence. Well, on the new one, you can have that program so it will just constantly have a dynamic sweep, and you can change colors to match whatever your mood is for the day. They also programmed a whole bunch of crazy things in there. We can look at those at the end. I've got some canards, I believe that's how you pronounce it. They fit down here, totally, look at this. My God, it's already meaner, more aggressive. Nobody will pull out in front of me with these. So we're gonna get those on, and don't wanna scuff anything. Over here, we have our new little pocket LEDs. This one's actually for that side. But I'm going with yellow, help with the fog, and help the car stand out in the crowd. So, well, I know how to do the grille. That's the easiest for me. I'm gonna bounce that in, then we'll work on these fog lights. The good thing for me, this project kind of all works together. In order to do the grille, we need to pull this little plastic section off to put the LED grille in. In order to do the fog lights, I like to pull the entire bumper cover off, and to do that, you gotta pull this section and the canards. I've never done those, but I got a feeling we could probably do those on the car since they just attach to the outside, but with the bumper out of the way, off the car, it'd be so much easier. And I know some of you guys are saying, hey, yeah, you can kind of caveman these off, you can get in there. I don't wanna scuff up this gloss black paint on the bumper. So I'm gonna get it out on the little bumper stand, take it apart from the backside, put the fog lights in. So I know that's a lot of rambling, but that is what we're in store for today. I'm gonna get this car up in the air. I'm gonna rip the bumper cover off, and let's get these goodies on. All right, with the Defender on the lift, it is time to start to disassemble. In my other video, I do a deep dive in how to take this apart. So if you want to see that, link below. And I also, in a different video for our hidden winch, teach you how to take the bumper cover off. I don't want to bore anybody with that. If you need those instructions, also link below. I'm going to hyperspeed this, get it all apart, and then we can take a look at the back side of this bumper. start with my bumper cover back on and our awesome lights. Let's have a peek at those. Oh, I'm really good at this. All right, here we go. Yeah, I like that startup animation. It'll also look amazing with our front light. Okay, I'm gonna get that in next, then we can kind of button this all up, clean off the sides for the canards. This job is almost done. Here's the new grille. It's a smoother face than our older ones. It's got a little control pack on it. We're just gonna set it in place. I'll put the lane assist and adaptive cruise module back in. This is actually a very simple job. Proof I'm doing it with no problem. With the grill in place, let's give it a little test. There it goes. All right, I'll end up watching that all day. Let's get this put back together. All right, I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited for this one. Next up is the canards. They sit like so and give this Defender a much more aggressive look. It's a simple install, 3M sticky tape and 3 stainless steel screws, self-tap in here. Oh boy. I'm excited. All right, let's get these on. All right. I'm gonna run the 3 screws in and then I'll take my heat gun, warm it up. This job will be done. My God, have we transformed this car. Project Wraith is looking even more aggressive than it was before. The fog lights are amazing. I love the fact that I can go from just the outer ring and then add the yellow fog. Or we could have done clear or white, but I don't know, I just like the yellow fog on this car. And of course, our new LED dynamic grille, giving you all kinds of functions. I promised you guys if you stuck around to the end, we'd take a look at some of them. So let's do that. Obviously, I've got the Knight Rider version going to match the red in the back. But if that's not for you, you can just go back to plain white. You can have the sweeper in any color you like. And these guys programmed in all kinds of crazy features. You want to do blues, you want the colors to change as you're driving. It's all customizable here with customizable speeds. I don't know what I would do with that besides get a headache. Let's take a look at another one. Nope. Where's the real funky one? There's one towards the end. Oh, I feel like I'm playing Tetris with this one. Set mode to Tetris. We can change the colors as we go. Multicolor Tetris. What was that? Yeah, that's what I need in the line to Starbucks. All right, guys, we've gone through a bunch of these features. There's a ton more and you can customize them. Let's fix this though, you're right. That's gonna make me nuts. All right, we'll leave it pure white for now. All right, did I do a good job? Is this car amazing or what? You don't even have to answer because I know it is. There's one more thing I wanna do, and then it's gonna be time to say goodbye to Project Wraith, as we gotta make room for the Octa, but it needs one more feature for the front end. We'll do that next time. Follow for more Rover content.